Here are 7 set of potential pain points, problems that really hurt your project, not just in isolation, but repeatedly. The first step is avoiding these potential pain points is to identify them. Only then we can effectively control them, manage them. Here are these 7 unique pain points in project management. Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to cover this important topic on project management, that is 7 project management pain points. Let us look at one by one. First is planning and organization. The organization for any project is most challenging part of project success. Planning and keeping track of activities, tasks, all processes are vital for a project to run smoothly. So organizing and planning are the important parts, but these are important pain points for the project because we are not able to get right resources, identify right resources. We are not able to plan because we feel it takes a lot of time. These are the pain points in project management. There are a lot of tools, organization tools such as effective resource management. We can use that tool to identify the right competency and right people, and right planning tools which will help us to track it easily, simplified way, and you get the right data for taking action. So this is the first pain point, and there are also solutions for that. Second is accuracy of estimation. Estimating the right cost, the right time is very important to complete the projects. If there is an issue of errors, the entire thing with respect to time, with respect to cost, with respect to ROI from the project will be a problem. And this is one of the major point of not having accurate estimate, right? Faulty estimate will impact on the deadlines. It will also impact on the budgeting of the project, and you will get less fund, and that will actually topple the entire project. So there are again tools about project estimates. There are various tools and techniques in project management. You can use those tools to be more and more accurate on the project estimates. First step, as I said, is to create a project estimate, and that should include what you have to deliver, when you have to deliver, and what stage project can be considered as complete. What are those projects successful or project completion criteria have to be in place. Once you have all these above essential information, you can start creating your project estimate. If you don't have this essential information and you start creating estimate, this will also have an impact on your accuracy of estimation. Learn the effective tool of planning and estimating, that is EVM. The third important thing is the need of constant follow-up. When we want to stay up to date on the project, you have to have consistent follow-up to get everything done, and that's the job of project manager. But it becomes a very time consuming, very tired way. It is a boring way which most project managers feel, and they don't indulge into this constant follow-up. But we must look at how can we build up a system for a proper follow-up, and it is easy to deal. If you start calling as a project manager, you will lose a lot of time in following it up. But can we have, softwares which can give you the constant feedback, and it will also automatically follow up? That will ease out a lot of these time consuming aspect of project manager's life. This third important pain point. The fourth is assigning accountability. When you have people, we can assign the responsibility to machines, but it's very difficult to assign responsibility, make them accountable, make them ownership of their own areas of work. Very difficult, because the most critical part is man management, human management. Ultimately, the project manager is responsible, and he has to make or drill down that responsibility and accountability with authority to his team, so that he is able to delegate tasks properly and get the productivity out from each and everyone efficiently. Yeah, when there are many people working on the project, it is very difficult to make one person accountable, but you have to make sure that one person is accountable, one person has got authority, and one person is actually the owner of that thing. Otherwise, it will create a lot of chaos. So this is the fourth one. Continue further. We have to allocate the right responsibility, right authority, right accountability by knowing the skills of the people, right? You also should have the skills to identify the skills, because there has to be proper smooth way. Everybody has to be same page. There should not be any confusion, right? This allows for a clear chain of command and transparency about who is responsible for ensuring which task is completed. Fifth is evaluation, providing a key feedback. Providing a constructive feedback is the responsibility of project manager. We must accurately evaluate them with a lot of data so that data becomes an evidence so that we can communicate a constructive feedback to the team member who is working on the project. Providing valuable feedback can be a problem for a project manager who dislike confrontation. So if I am a project manager, I don't like this confrontation, I will not give that constructive feedback. It is it is very easy to give a positive feedback, asking them to keep it up, doing excellent job. But when it comes to giving the negative or constructive feedback, it becomes a little difficult. You have to manage that way. You have to learn that hard way, and you whenever do that, the the, the confrontation has to be taken. You cannot run away from the confrontation. You have to be ready for the confrontation, and you must be able to effectively convey your message with the evidence about that constructive or that negative feedback to the gentleman who is on the receiving end. The last one, the seventh one, is the visibility. Having visibility of project resources, individual tasks, and the project as a whole will make project manager's job very easy. So if the project manager's vision is proper, and if he is able to convey the vision of the project, the individual tasks, the individual activities to the team, his job becomes very easy. Making sure that information is available to those involved in the project is very vital. You can't hide the information. The right information must be available to right person. That gives a visibility to the gentleman about the project. So making sure that you are able to communicate the vision of the project is very important, and that's the seventh pain point. Please enroll into my courses, the project management importance, the earned value management. The links of these courses are in the description box. Risk management on HVAC project, leadership in project management, all are important, relevant courses available, much more affordable investment. Again, the links are in the description box. Please take full advantage of this. If you like the video, please subscribe. Please spread it to your own friends and community. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, ajazkazi.com. Thank you very much.